You just can't beat Roho Agility backs. Our tests show no back is stronger, easier to adjust, or more comfortable. Agility is lightweight and never slides out of position. These 5 innovative features are what make the Agility superior to the competition. So how does Roho do it? Senior Product Design Engineer Greg Geckel says it's all about the right design.
We came up with a unique locking system that allowed the user to adjust the system with one tool, and once it was locked down, not slide out of position.
And the right materials.
We tested aluminum, steels, and what we found is most of those designs were just too heavy. So further research, we came up with a composite material called Zytel, which is actually a mixture of glass-filled nylon and other proprietary materials.
The glass adds to the strength, allows it to be able to withstand higher forces, higher loads, even some impact.
Once the Roho team perfected its design and strength, it was time to put agility to the test. They created their own testing machine that exerts 300 pounds of force directly to the top third of the wheelchair back. That's the most vulnerable area and the area that receives the most strain.
The true customer needs was to have a back with hardware that did not slip, break. It's quite alarming to see how quickly a back from the competition slipped out of place with very little load.
As you can see, this major competitor did not last more than a few cycles without showing signs of slipping. In fact, most competitors did not last more than 100 cycles without cracking, breaking, or slipping out of place.
Well, what we learned initially when we started testing our interlocking mechanism innovation is that our back was literally 100,000 times stronger than the market leader back. So just because something's made out of steel does not mean it's stronger. You can clearly see with the cycle tester machine the difference with us having Zytel in the market leader having steel. Zytel is actually stronger.
The Agility Zytel hardware is built to last. The Zytel teeth shown here prevent slippage, which is a major problem with market-leading competitors. There is also a safety lock. The springless lock system is a 2-point mount that acts like a 4-point mount, which means it's much easier to adjust, even with the client in the seat.
You see the hardware, it might look a little intimidating at first glance, but what's amazing is when you talk to clinicians, they spend a couple minutes with it and they realize that not only is it strong, it's really easy to adjust and it's going to be better for their client.
Strong, easy to adjust, comfortable, lightweight, and no slippage. That's Agility, and it continues to stand out as the best in the market.
You've seen the cycle tester, you've seen how that operates. That's 300 pounds of force applied on the shell, and to see that thing cycle one time is neat. To see it go 100,000 cycles and not break is, I think, pretty phenomenal.
We see Roho as a total seating system company. We are not just cushions anymore.